Bring it a little higher. Right there, hold it right there. Hey guys, it's Ray Alvarez, Shoot with Ray, and today we're going to be doing behind the scenes full access video at this restaurant. We're going to be doing a mixture of food photography, drink photography, employees, staff, and you'll see it here today in full access. For this photo, I have an 8200. And I'm just bouncing it off, and it's giving enough light here, so that way the backdrop or the background of your subject is lit properly. Yeah, perfect. So you're gonna turn towards me this way. Perfect, just like that. Let's get you a little bit more to your right. No, just very your hip right there. Perfect, that's good right there. And bring the drink a little higher, a little bit more. Turn it a little bit more. There you go, perfect. And I'm gonna turn it forward here. Okay, hold it right there. See how this looks, one moment. Okay, this time you're gonna smile. There you go, hold it right there. 1, 2, and 3. One more time. As you can see, we have a portrait. Shooting at 1/100, 3.5 for your aperture, and your ISO is at 400. The power on the lights for this light here is 1/128, and the other light's 1/64. Hey guys, so we're going on to the next transition, the next series of photos that we're gonna take. This one's a field of view shot. So what's gonna happen is the server's going to stand here, and I'm gonna light them with this light here, the 8200, and I'm gonna be sitting there capturing it as if I was a guest facing that way from that viewpoint. Coming there. Okay, I'm ready for you. All right, so we're taking pictures here outdoors of some of the employees to simulate the idea that they're talking to the customer, which is you, right? So I am the customer, my camera is the customer, and I'm interacting with the employee, with the staff member here at this restaurant. So that's technically what we're doing. We're getting pictures of them, close-ups and wide shots of them interacting with the guests. So we worked our way back inside, so that way we can take photographs of the food, as you can see here. And what we're doing is, we've already set up the lighting, established the composition of each dish. And what we're gonna do now is just go through all these dishes that you see behind me. We have a lot, but we're gonna have some fun doing it. We're gonna shoot it on wood grain texture, as you see here. And then we're also gonna shoot it on a white background, as you see here. So you might be asking yourself, how am I lighting this? I go with my traditional setup, which is a one light setup. What I have set up is my 48-inch softbox. It's huge, but it's great because it's gonna give a great amount of lighting that we need in order to create those contrasts and those shadows. Powering today's light is an 8400 Pro by Adorama Flashpoint. As you can see in this picture on the screen right now, the lighting is coming from the left, and that's going to create some contrast behind the food to the right, along with some shadows. And that's good when it comes to food photography. You don't want everything to be bright, you don't want everything to be in focus. So with that, the settings for this shot right here, as you can see on the screen, 1/200, aperture is at 2.5, and ISO is at 400. And what we're doing too is we're providing the client with 3 photos. We're gonna do an angle shot. After that, we're gonna do an overhead shot. Whenever you do an overhead shot, you can use the grids on your camera to make sure that everything is lined up and everything is level. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm following the grids to make sure that my camera is level. Now last but not least, we'll do a detail shot, or in other words, a hero shot, which is a close-up version of the food, and it's showing the up-close details of the food item. So that's pretty much what I have here for today's restaurant photography. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you learned something. Take this, practice it, and apply it to your workflow. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.